Mediterranean Diet 101, The Health Benefits of Olive Oil. The Mediterranean diet is more than just a meal plan, it's a way of life. It has captured the attention of health enthusiasts and nutritionists worldwide, and for good reason. This diet, rooted in the culinary traditions of countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea, emphasizes fresh, whole foods and places a significant focus on olive oil. Olive oil, with its myriad health benefits, is at the heart of the Mediterranean diet. We'll explore the many advantages of olive oil and why it is a central element of this heart-healthy and delicious dietary regimen. 1. Heart health, the Mediterranean secret. Perhaps the most renowned benefit of olive oil is its profound impact on heart health. Heart disease is a leading cause of mortality worldwide, and it's increasingly linked to poor dietary choices. The Mediterranean diet, rich in olive oil, has been proven to lower the risk of heart disease. The key component of olive oil responsible for its heart protective qualities is monounsaturated fat, specifically oleic acid. This type of fat has been associated with improved lipid profiles, meaning it helps reduce levels of LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol, while increasing levels of HDL cholesterol, the good kind. It also helps in reducing inflammation and regulating blood pressure, factors that significantly contribute to heart health. Numerous studies have demonstrated that individuals who follow a Mediterranean diet, incorporating generous amounts of olive oil, have a lower incidence of heart disease and a reduced risk of heart attacks and stroke. The Mediterranean diet's heart-healthy attributes have even led some experts to call it the gold standard for cardiovascular well-being. 2. Antioxidant powerhouse. Olive oil is also recognized for its high concentration of antioxidants. These compounds, such as polyphenol and vitamin E, play a pivotal role in protecting cells from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Oxidative stress is a significant contributor to the aging process and the development of chronic diseases like cancer. Polyphenol in olive oil have been extensively studied for their health benefits. They help combat inflammation, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and even protect against certain types of cancer. Moreover, they have the potential to improve brain health by enhancing cognitive function and reducing the risk of neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's disease. 3. Weight management and metabolic health. Despite being a fat, olive oil is associated with weight management and metabolic health. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil provide a sense of satiety, helping to control appetite and reduce overall calorie consumption. This can be particularly advantageous for individuals looking to maintain a healthy weight or lose excess pounds. Furthermore, the consumption of olive oil has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity. This is significant for individuals with type 2 diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Enhanced insulin sensitivity means better blood sugar control, reducing the need for medication and lowering the risk of complications associated with diabetes. 4. Skin and hair benefits. Olive oil isn't just a culinary gem, it's also an exceptional beauty aid. Its use as a skin and hair treatment dates back centuries, with good reason. The antioxidants in olive oil, particularly vitamin E, work wonders for the skin, protecting it from damage, and helping to maintain a youthful appearance. Olive oil can be used as a natural moisturizer for dry skin and as a remedy for chapped lips. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it suitable for individuals with sensitive or irritable skin. For hair care, olive oil is excellent for adding shine and moisture. A warm olive oil hair treatment can help repair damaged hair and prevent split ends. 5. Digestive health. Olive oil also supports digestive health. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil help lubricate the digestive tract, aiding in the passage of food through the colon. This can help prevent and alleviate constipation. Moreover, olive oil has been associated with an improved absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, such as A, D, and K, which are essential for overall health.